Hey traders, Jim here. I just wanted to go through a couple trades I placed today. I don't usually like to make videos 2 days in a row, but we had trades yesterday and the rally in the market gave me an opportunity to close out a couple puts and then go ahead and put on a couple more. So let's take a look at our trade journal today. And the two puts that I closed out were SoFi 16s expiring next Friday, the 24th. And they cost me $14 each one. So I paid 14 bucks back, still got a net premium of 151 on those. So here's SoFi again on the April 14th cash secured put. I did two more here, net premium 227. So that was pretty nice. Now if we go back in to the SoFi account and just look at SoFi alone, and I want to show you guys a couple other things that are pretty neat. But if we just go to SoFi alone, if you remember, we only had 900 and some odd dollars yesterday here. Now we've been able to put 1,136 towards the share price. And so we own these 300 shares at a cost basis of $15.05. You wouldn't even think that's possible because we got put one at 22.50 for 100 of them and the other two at 17, and our cost basis is 15.05 on all 300 shares. Phenomenal. All right. Net premiums 1363 now. Unrealized profit and losses only 328. Remember, this is the stock price only. So the stock price is still under our 2250 by a little bit, and so that's down $328. The 17s right now are over because right now, as of today, at this point at least, the stock price is over 17, just barely. All right, and that's really it. I mean, just a great day, and this just kind of shows you guys how I do this. And we continually to wield these stocks, regardless of what the range is. And I think that's important. As long as they're good quality stocks, I don't care what stock it is, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, it's going to go sideways at different periods of time in the cycle based on what's going on. You just keep wheeling them, keep working them. Okay. All right, let's take a look at something else here real quick. And I wanted to talk about this a little bit as well. Now our total profit and loss is up from 43 something yesterday to 45.86 today. Current balance 74,586. Unrealized, I think this was $2,000 yesterday. So look how fast that's coming down. And that's on all of our stocks because the stocks are going back up today. And that's, again, when we looked at this last week, it was $2,800, $3,000, right? And that's when I said, don't get so caught up here. Your stocks are going to roll. Keep playing them. Just don't play them under the price that you own them at. That's all, okay? For covered calls anyway. So now if we go back to the adjusted, remember the adjusted is the current balance minus the unrealized profit and losses. That's gone up significantly. Again, to me, the most important number is going to be right here in our premium collected. And the reason why the profit and loss, by the way, I wanted to explain this to you, is the same as premium collected. There's no stock yet. I haven't made any money on stocks yet by closing one out or lost money on a stock. If we were to close out, say, that SoFi stock and lost that 350 bucks on it on the 2250s, closing out that stock, then this would drop by 350 bucks. Okay. But we're not going to do that. Obviously, we're going to keep making money. And that's it. I just wanted to go over this with you guys real quick, real fast video. And got any questions, again, come on over to optitrades.com. You guys can hit some feedback, check out the tools in here, and give us a shout. Subscribe. That's the most important part. Have a good one.